In this video, I want to talk about how you can log out of YouTube on your TV. Now, there are two ways that you can do this. One is remote and the other one is just while you're there. So let me quickly go through them. And the first one is you simply want to open up the app, go to the left-hand menu, select your profile picture and go to the accounts. Then select your account and click on sign out. Now, the other one is where you can do it when you're not even at home. What you want to do is head over to myaccount.google.com/device-activity, or just go to myaccount.google.com and in there select your activity. Then you just want to select the TV device, click sign out, and it will sign you out of your TV, even if your TV is not even on or you're not at home. So these are the two easy ways that you can do this, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.